If you aren't getting any sound from your earpiece speaker on your phone and you happen to have a power supply, you can contact these two little points here and here, and you can run 4 volts through this. It's on the same it's got the same amount of voltage in that circuit, and all you have to do is take your probes and touch both of these, and you should hear a crackling noise because it's going to activate the speaker. And as you can hear from this one, that is not happening. So we are going to have to replace this speaker with this one right here. Now, there's not a whole lot to explain here, so I'm not going to do a lot of talking, but I will say that make sure you transfer over the small adhesive strips that are shown at the end of the video. And other than that, I hope that you find the video helpful. Hit like and subscribe if so, and I'll see you next time.